I'm going to show you dialektai. Connect any database and embed it in your app in under 5 minutes. Let's go. First, let's connect the database. I'm using an e-commerce database here for testing purposes. Just enter your database connection details and hit create. Dialektai automatically reads your tables, so there is no extra setup needed. Now it's analyzing your database, and this usually takes a few seconds as it's reading the database and figuring out how everything connects. All right, the connection seems to be done, and now we can see a new button shows for configuring the schema settings. I need to pick up the tables or collections that I want to make available. Here are all of my tables, like customers, orders, products, etc. For now, I select all of them. Now you'll see a new button pop up called Generate Tools. Clicking it creates AI agents for asking questions about these tables or collections and their data. This takes a few moments. Once this is done, we are ready to ask questions. Okay, the generation is now done. Let's ask some questions in plain English. Show me premium customers who spent over $5,000. There we go. It did find the customer without coding needed. What products are out of stock? And here's the out of stock item. Now let's try something more interesting. Show me total revenue by product. Perfect. It pulled data from multiple tables and did the math automatically. And this will work similarly for any database and any data type, not just the e-commerce context as we're doing it. Now, let's try and add this to a website. We go back to the database. You will see here the part in the UI that is called widget integration. Just copy this code, paste it in your website, and that's it. Now your customers can ask questions about their data. Each customer only sees their own stuff. No technical knowledge is needed. That's dialektai. Connect any database, embed anywhere. Free trial at dialektai.com. Thanks.